Our stories transcend myth and legend. Our stories, ngā pūrākau, ngā momo kōrero, ki tēnā apu, ki tēnā iwi, ngā wāta, ngā karikia, lay a foundation solid in tikanga and kawa. Our stories are deeply wired into our DNA, the tapestry of our existence, our whakapapa, allowing us, ngāi Māori, to connect across time and space. Our stories hold layers of our history that continue to inspire, helps inform our opinions and decision-making that has the ability to impact our present and influence our future. Through our stories, we are able to transport ourselves to a particular time and place. The 5th of November, 1881. The invasion of the settlement by almost 1,500 militia and armed members of the constabulary was the outcome of greed for Māori-owned land. Pariaka has come to symbolize peaceful resistance to the confiscation of Māori land. On this day, our grandmothers were subjected to unspeakable acts that violated tapu and violated whakapapa. People suspected of being from other areas of the country were thrown out. Thousands of cattle, pigs, and horses were slaughtered and stolen. Buildings and crops destroyed. Our grandfathers were unlawfully arrested and transported from Taranaki to the South Island without trial. Over 1.2 million acres of Taranaki land was stolen. This is not a story about confiscation. It is a story that speaks to land theft and a government's quest for power. Pariaka was the scene of one of the worst infringements of civil and human rights ever committed and witnessed in this country. These events have affected political, cultural, and spiritual dynamics of our entire country. Our stories transcend myth and legend.
E re re rā te motu nei, ki roto ko I o, pariaka ngā tō urai wakai, re mai ngā tikanga I te re pai pai ai, te motu nei, tō piki tanga kei I te pūre poto e ke tanga kei toro anui ki a wakaranga kai ki te reka mai a te kōrero. Hey, hey, hey. Mā tau tonu o ki a koe tau e te ngā kaua ka puke tonu me a hai ara e mauru e ko te au ka weru a ka momotu e whiu whiu ana kei te uru e kei te tonga kara mai ki roto kia ko hari hari. Hey, hey, hey.
The story of Pariaka has the power to ignite our senses, shape our perception, behavior, and attitude. We can speak more on how these perceptions and beliefs can materialize into our lives. Our tupuna chose to resolve conflict by peaceful resistance and negotiation. Imagine te whiti o Rangiātea and tohu kākahi, encouraging their people, our people, to stand up for their rights whilst laying down their weapons. Pariaka has a lot to teach us about the history of injustice in Aotearoa and the importance of hope and peace. Pariaka inspires us to work together and hope. And hope. The story of Pariaka. Tēnā koutou.
Tēnā koe. A me o wakaro e hāngai ana ki tērā o ngā kaupapa kōrero. Kia tika ngā wakarite ngā mānahi.